Alright, this question says, which point has the most potential energy? Remember, the formula that we have for potential energy is mass times gravity times height. Now, on the roller coaster, we can assume that the mass of the roller coaster is not going to change as you go through it, unless somebody falls out, but that would be really bad. So we need to understand that the mass is going to be a constant number. We also know that the gravity is not going to change significantly. It is true that the further you get away from the surface of the Earth, the less gravity is, but that's a very, very, very insignificant number when we're talking about roller coasters. So if you take an example, if you're at sea level and if you're at the top of Mount Everest, the difference in gravity is less than 1/100 of 1 decimal. So it's a very, very small value, so we can assume that the G value is actually the same. So really the only factor that's going to be determining how much potential energy an object has is the height. So you want to have a high height for a high potential energy. So the point that's going to have the most potential energy is going to be the one that's physically the highest, and in this case it would be B, followed by C, followed by A, and then followed by D. So we could rank those and say B is greater than C, which is greater than A, which is greater than D.